Okay guys, welcome back for another video. Now this week we're going to continue on from last week's video that basically explained what weapon system we use on board the vessel. And it was the dash pod SAR M14. Now the company also introduced another one which was the Benelli MR1. And in this video, again, it's going to show you how you take it apart, put it back together again. This weapon system was a lot more complicated, so this video was needed to send all the team members so they can learn exactly how you take it apart. I have some other videos as well that shows the drills. The drills for the use of this weapon system, again, were completely different. So there's more videos that will be coming to soon to show how we had to adapt to obviously use that. So sit back, enjoy the video. It's in my younger days. I look a little bit different how I look now. Enjoy, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, we're now going to disassemble and reassemble the new Benelli MR1. Okay, it's obviously you're currently using a dash pod, which is very easy, obviously based on the AK. This slightly a little bit more complicated, but once you get used to it, it's very simple. Like most Benellis, you've got the bolt here. This one. Okay, so we undo this. Now be careful now not to scratch the barrel. Place down. Again, with the hand grip, slide off gently as well, and of course we place down. Most people when stripping the Benelli get to this stage and get confused on what to do next. Okay, we see we've got a spring here, okay, and we've actually got a screw or bolt that we need to take out. Now for assistance, you might need a screwdriver or some other kit just to be able to start it off. So what we'll do, we'll do this. Again, this wouldn't be the best if you're in the field. It's not the best rifle for field stripping. Okay, so bolt off. Okay, we'll put that down. Okay, now it basically comes apart. The receiver comes away from the barrel and bolt unit. We simply just slide up. And it comes away. Okay, receiver down. We now take the bolt from the barrel, take the bolt handle out. Bolt now comes away from the barrel. As far as the barrel goes, that's it. Okay, we don't take apart anymore. It's nice and easy now for cleaning. You can see straight down. That's the barrel. So we'll just put that down on the way. Just to focus on the receiver here, we've got the trigger unit. This can be taken out by removing the two pins here and here. There's no need really to do that. Okay, we've got a hammer which is currently forward. Okay, we want that back. Okay, for when we now put it back together. Okay, and again, nothing more really to take apart from here. Okay. Now we've got the bolt and the firing pin. Okay, you don't always need to take this apart for cleaning, okay, but if you do, just be wary, okay, that when you remove the firing pin retaining pin from here on the side, make sure your finger is there to catch the pin. Okay, many times this has been removed, people forget, the firing pin fires and disappears. So the spring comes out. Then got the bolt, will come out here. So this comes out, bolt comes out. And that's simply all we do to take this apart. So we can give it a clean and then put it back together again. So this goes in, put the spoon back in, don't forget that, the firing pin back in. Okay, that's gone in pretty smooth. Sometimes you need to move this back and forth just so the firing pin can go through the hole there. Okay, retaining pin back in. Okay, so bolt back together. So we've got bolt, receiver, barrel. Okay, now we'll put it all back together. Again, pretty easy when you know how. Okay, that can be a little bit tricky sometimes. First of all, we'll put the bolt. Okay, just to run through. First I want to put it on the bolt's back. Okay, in doing so, it won't let you move it forward. Okay, so when we put it on, bolt forward, it'll then be able to slide. Okay, unless it slides, don't continue. Make sure the bolt is forward so it can slide. We can now put the cocking handle into place. Okay, this is how we want it. And put it forward. This receiver so it's comfortable. Okay, and just place that on top. Now, so we get to this stage here, okay? So it's kind of resting on top. Now what we do is we pull it back, drops in place, release back forward, and slide back. Okay? And that's in place. Put the bolt back on. Okay, we want to do that just so it's tight. Okay, that's enough there, that's fine. Just before I put it back together, I'm just going to do a quick check. Cock, safety on, safety works. Okay, great. Release catch holds in place, safety still goes on. Safety off, release catch. Okay, so we can see now this works fine, no problem. Okay, so another breech open just so we can see it's in a safe state. Put the hand grip back on. Okay, so we stripped it, reassembled it, Benelli MR1, finish.
Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like and feel free to interact in the comments below. We love to hear what you've got to say. Click subscribe and don't forget the bell so we can notify you when we have more content. You'll find more videos above here or check out our students in action below here.